I'm Amy from Doodle Dog Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to make these yellow ware inspired Christmas ornaments. Let's get started. For this project, I'm going to start with plain glass Christmas balls. Just in case there's any residue on the ornaments that would keep paint from adhering, I'm going to clean them, use a soft rag, and wipe them down with rubbing alcohol, and then I'll let that dry completely. And then I'm going to also remove the tops because I don't want the tops to be painted. And then I'm going to use a spray paint. You could use any color, this will be covered up. You need to choose a spray paint that will adhere to glass. This will help make sure that the acrylic craft paint will stick to the balls and not run off. And I just used a egg carton and had to turn them over a couple times to make sure that they got painted everywhere. Just want to put a thin coat of paint all over the entire ball. I'm going to use Deco Arts antique gold paint to paint these, and I've got a dowel rod that I'm going to use. I'm going to paint the top part first and then put it on the dowel rod, and then I'll paint the rest of it. You want to do a thin coat of this and then do as many more coats as needed. If you get it on too thick, it will have paint globs. And then just hold it with your thumb, the edge of it there, to give it a little stability as you paint, otherwise it's wobbly. Then just set this aside to dry, and once it is dry, you can apply more coats as needed to cover up the spray paint color. And I have put this in a piece of styrofoam to hold them up as they dry. The paint is dry and I put the tops back on. And I got this self-adhesive vinyl in a cream color. It's called Eggshell. And I'm going to use my paper cutter and cut stripes for the middle of the balls to make it look like the stripes on the yellow ware. I've cut the strip about 1/8 of an inch wide, and I'm going to put it right in the middle of the ball. So I'm going to measure it on the ball, just right in the middle of the ball, and then I'm going to peel the backing off the vinyl sticker. So I'm just going to put the sticker right in the middle of the ball. And I'm just going to place it on loosely until I get it on and make sure it's even and level all the way across. And I will rub it down all over. We had 2 different size balls. In these larger balls we added 3 stripes. The middle stripe is 1/8 inch and the upper and lower stripes are both 1/16 inch wide. If you want to, you could finish these off with a clear varnish. Thanks for watching. Be sure to click the like button and subscribe below. I'll see you next time. Bye.